Wait, before you get scammed, check this thing in your coin, because what I am about to reveal could completely change the way you look at every quarter sitting in your pocket right now, especially if you think a simple 1983 D USA Washington $quarter coin is just worth 25 cents. Today on Rare Coins Info, we are diving deep into one of the most talked about modern quarters in American numismatics, the 1983 D Washington quarter. A coin that most people ignore, a coin that many collectors once overlooked, but under the right circumstances could be worth life-changing money. And yes, you heard that right, some examples connected to rare mint state preservation and extraordinary grading levels have reached jaw-dropping valuations rumored as high as $17 million in elite collecting conversations. So before you spend another quarter on coffee, stay with me until the very end, because there is one tiny detail you must check first. Now let us start with the coin name clearly. The 1983 D Washington quarter, struck at the Denver Mint in 1983, carrying the iconic portrait of George Washington designed by John Flanagan. This coin represents a fascinating period in United States mint history, because in 1983 the U.S. Mint did not release official uncirculated mint sets for collectors, and that single fact changed everything. Most quarters from that year entered circulation immediately, meaning high-grade uncirculated examples became extremely scarce. And scarcity in the coin world creates opportunity, but only if you know what to look for. The standard specifications of the 1983 D Washington quarter are important. The coin has a diameter of 24.3 millimeters, a thickness of approximately 1.75 millimeters, and a weight of 5.67 grams, composed of a clad mixture of 75% copper and 25% nickel over a pure copper core. The edge is reeded, and the mint mark D is located on the obverse to the right of Washington's ponytail. Now here is where things get interesting, because most circulated examples are common and worth face value to maybe a few dollars in better condition. But the real money hides in condition rarity, especially coins graded MS67 and above by professional grading services such as PCGs, which stands for Professional Coin Grading Service, and NGC, known as Numismatic Guarantee Company. These companies authenticate, grade, and encapsulate coins in tamper-resistant holders, and their grades can multiply value dramatically. For example, a circulated 1983 D quarter might be worth 25 cents to $1, but a mint state 65 example graded by PCGs or NGC can sell for dozens or even hundreds of dollars depending on eye appeal. Now here comes the cliffhanger. What happens when a coin reaches the ultra-rare grade of MS68 or higher? Only a tiny handful of 1983 D quarters have ever achieved such lofty grades. And when condition rarity meets collector demand, auction prices can explode. Documented auction results have shown high-grade 1983 D quarters selling for thousands of dollars, and speculative valuations in private elite markets have pushed extraordinary examples into the multi-million-dollar conversation, with sensational claims reaching up to $17 million for the absolute finest known specimen with pristine surfaces, razor-sharp strike, blazing luster, and zero visible marks even under magnification. But before you assume every 1983 D quarter is a jackpot, you need to understand grading deeply. Coin grading evaluates surface preservation, strike quality, luster, and eye appeal. A coin with heavy scratches, contact marks, dull luster, or wear will never reach the high mint state levels required for premium value. Graders at PCGs and NGC use a 70-point Sheldon scale, with MS60 to MS70 representing mint state coins, MS70 being a perfect coin with no post-production imperfections visible at 5 times magnification. And in modern clad coinage, MS70 examples are extraordinarily rare, especially for coins that were never preserved in official mint sets which makes the 1983 D quarter such an intriguing candidate for high-value discovery. Now here is something most people do not realize. Because no mint sets were issued in 1983, collectors had to pull coins directly from circulation rolls, meaning bag marks and handling damage were common. That is why finding a truly pristine example today is like searching for a needle in a haystack. And that rarity is exactly what fuels massive collector interest. So what should you check first before getting scammed? Or before selling your coin too cheap? Number 1, check the mint mark D under the date area on the obverse. Number 2, inspect the overall condition under bright light. Tilt the coin slowly and look for strong cartwheel luster. Number 3, examine Washington's cheek and jawline for contact marks. These high points often reveal the first signs of damage. Number 4, check the reverse eagle feathers for sharp detail and minimal abrasions. And number 5, weigh the coin on a precise digital scale. It should read close to 5.67 grams. If it is significantly under or overweight, you may be dealing with damage or alteration, and alterations kill value. Instantly, another important factor is strike quality. Denver Mint strikes in 1983 can sometimes show weakness in certain areas, so a sharply struck coin with full detail is more desirable, and here is a suspenseful truth. Sometimes the difference between a 25-cent coin and a $5,000 coin is a single tiny scratch invisible to the naked eye. That is why professional grading matters. Sending your coin to PCGs or NGC ensures authentication and gives buyers confidence. Raw, ungraded coins rarely achieve top dollar because serious collectors demand certified examples. Now let us talk about condition categories. Circulated condition with visible wear on Washington's hair and the eagle's chest is generally low value, about face value to a few dollars. Uncirculated mint state coins with strong luster but minor marks might range from $50 to several hundred depending on grade. Superb gem examples graded MS-67 can cross into the thousands, and elite top population coins with near-perfect preservation can command extraordinary auction attention. And that is where the rumored $17 million valuation enters the conversation. Representing the theoretical peak for the single finest known specimen in absolute pristine condition, a coin so rare in that grade that competitive bidding among wealthy collectors could drive the price to unimaginable heights. But here is the cliffhanger again. How do you actually turn your discovery into real money without being scammed? First, never clean your coin. Cleaning reduces value dramatically and leaves hairline scratches visible under magnification. Second, handle the coin only by the edges. Third, place it in a non-PVC holder for protection. Fourth, research recent auction results from reputable auction houses such as Heritage Auctions or Stack's Bowers to understand realistic market value. And fifth, consider submitting the coin to PCGs or NGC before listing it for sale. Because certified coins attract stronger bids and global buyer trust when it comes to selling. The right selling place matters. Major auction houses are ideal for high-value certified coins because they market to serious collectors worldwide. Online platforms like eBay can work for mid-range coins, but require caution and clear high-resolution images. Local coin shops may offer quick cash, but often pay wholesale prices below retail market value. Coin shows are excellent for networking with knowledgeable buyers, and always compare multiple offers before finalizing a sale. Now let me share an authentic numismatic insight that many new collectors miss. Population reports published by PCGs and NGC reveal how many coins exist in each grade. If a population report shows only 2 or 3 coins graded at MS-68 and none higher, that scarcity dramatically increases desirability. Collectors compete fiercely for top population coins because registry set competitions reward owning the finest graded examples, and registry pressure alone can push prices into the stratosphere. Imagine discovering that your quarter is one of only a handful graded at the highest level. That is the kind of moment collectors dream about. And this is why you should never underestimate pocket change. Now, if you are learning something valuable so far, make sure to like this video, comment below if you have ever checked your spare change for rare coins, and most importantly, subscribe to Rare Coins Info, because we break down real coin values with professional insight and protect you from misinformation and scams. And speaking of scams, be cautious of exaggerated online claims without certification proof. Always verify grading certificates on the official PCG's or NGC website using the certification number on the slab. Fraudsters sometimes sell altered coins or fake slabs. So do. Diligence protects your investment. Another key factor affecting value is eye appeal. Two coins with identical grades can sell for different prices depending on toning, luster brightness, and overall aesthetic quality. Attractive natural toning can enhance value while dull or spotted surfaces may reduce buyer enthusiasm, and yes, even modern clad quarters can develop subtle toning over decades. Now let us build suspense one more time. What if right now in a jar somewhere in America there sits a flawless 1983 D Washington quarter waiting to be discovered? A coin that survived decades without circulation, without scratches, without dullness. A coin that could potentially rewrite auction records. That possibility is exactly what keeps collectors searching, and it is exactly why you should inspect your coins carefully before spending them. Remember the technical details. Diameter 20. 4.3 millimeters, thickness about 1.75 millimeters, weight 5.67 grams, clad composition copper and nickel, reeded edge, Denver mint mark D, and always prioritize condition above all else, because in numismatics condition is king. And the difference between ordinary and extraordinary is often microscopic. So before you dismiss your 1983 D quarter as spare change, take a closer look, use magnification, evaluate luster, check for marks, verify weight, and consider professional grading, because knowledge is your greatest defense against getting scammed. An opportunity favors the informed collector. If this breakdown opened your eyes, share this video with fellow collectors, help them avoid costly mistakes, and keep building your coin knowledge with Rare Coins Info. Subscribe now and stay tuned for future rare coin value discoveries. Because the next life-changing coin might already be in your pocket, waiting for you to notice it.